Welcome back to 10K SOXL Trader. Before we get into today's content, I'd like to share a few words from the heart. My channel is just getting started, far from the 1 million subscriber mark, but I'm incredibly happy doing this. For me, the process of making these videos is a valuable journey of learning and refining my strategies. I'm more than willing to share every piece of experience I gain and every pitfall I encounter along the way without holding anything back. All right, let's get down to business. Today, I want to dive deep into a core topic, the true essence of this week's review, how exactly my trading system has evolved. In the last video, I mentioned that I would be pairing my SOXL momentum strategy with a QQQ mean reversion strategy. Today, I'm going to reveal the complete blueprint for this system upgrade and the real logic behind it. Part 1. Equipping the SOXL momentum strategy with a precision shield. After experiencing that frustrating, almost confidence-shattering choppy market in week 2, my primary goal became crystal clear. I needed to teach my main strategy to be a picky eater and proactively avoid the market conditions it's worst at handling. This past weekend, when I finally found the solution to this problem through extensive backtesting, it felt like fumbling around in a pitch-black room for ages and then suddenly finding the light switch. That light switch was the Bollinger Band volatility filter I added to my SOXL midday momentum model. The effect was immediate and obvious. During this past third week, my midday strategy did not trigger a single trade. It successfully identified the risk of a choppy market and chose to stay on the sidelines. According to my backtest, if this filter hadn't been deployed, the midday strategy alone could have generated a loss between minus 0.5% and minus 1% in week 3. So this upgrade successfully helped us avoid a clear drawdown. But what truly shocked me and solidified my determination for the next phase of a full rollout was this next piece of data. If my SOXL momentum strategy had been equipped with this filter from day 1 of the challenge, the total return over the past 3 weeks wouldn't be the slightly profitable result we have now, but approximately plus 8%. Part 2. Introducing a strategic partner, QQQ mean reversion. However, just adding a filter isn't the whole story. This upgrade wasn't just about giving the SOXL momentum strategy a Bollinger Band shield. More importantly, I introduced a brand new synergistic strategic partner, the QQQ mean reversion strategy. I don't see this as a champion team just yet. It's far too early for that. I prefer to think of it as a strategic partnership between two independent specialists. SOXL momentum strategy, our trend striker. Its mission is to launch high-intensity attacks when the market shows a clear direction, capturing those decisive, large profits. The purpose of the Bollinger Band shield is to force it to preserve its strength and avoid attrition when the battlefield conditions are poor, i.e., in a choppy market. QQ mean reversion strategy, our all-weather operations unit. Let me be very clear on this point. Its job isn't just to hold the line in a choppy market. It is an always-on, all-weather independent strategy. Its logic is based on the statistical probability that prices will revert to their mean after a significant deviation. Therefore, regardless of whether the market is rallying, dropping, or consolidating, it is constantly searching for trading opportunities that fit its model. Conclusion: a more robust dual-core system. So what we have ultimately created is a dual-core trading system. In a trending market, the trend striker, SOXL momentum, goes on an all-out offensive, while the all-weather unit, QQQ mean reversion, operates independently in the background, potentially contributing some auxiliary profits or small counter-trend fluctuations. In a choppy market, the trend striker is forced into hibernation by its shield. At this point, there may be no apparent momentum trades, but the all-weather unit continues to work behind the scenes, searching for potential opportunities. The essence of this system lies in using strategic complementarity to pursue the long-term smoothness and stability of the entire account's equity curve. I am incredibly excited to witness this brand new dual-core system in action in the real market during the upcoming 4th week. I'm also curious, in your own trading, do you have similar main attack plus support strategy combinations? Or do you prefer to specialize in a single strategy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.